Alright, so when you're working with vanilla JavaScript and you want to get the value of this input element, right? So you do something like this: document dot get element by ID, and then let's say name dot value, right? But in JavaScript we do have a hook for to access or to play with DOM elements, and that hook is called useRef. So let's just import useRef. Alright, and after that let's call the snippet of the useRef. So this is how the syntax of a useRef look. Let's assign null. We don't want to set any initial value. Well, basically inside this argument you can set the initial value, so we don't have to do anything with the initial value at the moment because we are directly playing with a DOM and we are trying to get the its attribute or values of that DOM element, right? And what I will do, I will change the name to input ref, and then you will assign this input ref or whatever real ref you created inside that element which you want to access. So I want to access this input, so inside over here I will come over here and write ref, and inside the ref I will assign the value of input ref. Now when we will click this button, so whatever we will write inside this input box, we need to get that value. So let's just create a function, or yeah, let's create a function get value, right? And let's call it inside on click get value, and now you can be able to access the value of that element by using input ref dot current dot value, right? So let me come over here and alert it. So let's say I write Ministry of JavaScript, and when I click me, then you can see that we are getting Ministry of JavaScript. Or what I want to do is I want to focus this input element. When I will click this click me button, then I can be able to do that as well. Instead of value, I will write focus, right? I will invoke the focus function of an input element. So let's refresh it. Let me just remove it, the alert. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So when I click it, then you can see that it has focused our input element. So this is how the useRef work in React. If you want to access any property of the DOM, or if you want to access any kind of value or attributes, or if you want to add style to it, or if you want to call the element methods like dot focus, then you can use useRef for that functionality. So this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.